First of all, you are welcome to EDEX exhibition to Havelsan booth. We are transforming our C4I architecture into a more flexible structure that enables any countries to manage their naval units, coastal security elements, and command control center connections within a unified framework. This transformation is particularly critical for countries like Egypt. We have also multi-layered security needs over vast territories with Advent. Our product, so-called Advent, we facilitate real-time information sharing between naval platforms and coastal platforms like unmanned surface vehicles, naturally strengthening maritime operational capability. Well, naval operations are strategic domain for each country, especially for Egypt. Therefore, our Advent converts complex naval environments into a clearer and more coherent operational pictures. This approach accelerates decision support across broad spectrum and from coastal security to open sea units, and delivers high-tech capabilities to our end users. Well, we support our simulation solutions with new technologies such as VR, XR, AI, artificial intelligence, and digital twins that provides a more realistic training environment and the outside world. Okay, this structure significantly contributes reducing training costs and enabling personnel to prepare faster missions, especially in countries with large and diverse waste structures, aligns with Egypt's goal of strengthening, its infrastructure on training. Thus, we support a training architecture that enhances operational success on the ground based on expertise, succeeded in the past, and we have accumulated over many years. Well, yeah, these autonomous platforms of Havelsan is key factor that differentiates our autonomous system is AI-enabled, AI-supported mission automation, and swarm compatible operational logic. The enhancement of joint production of both Bay as Hamza 1 in Egypt, and the flexibility of Akrep is UGV, unmanned ground vehicle, is called from the Barkan, and Baha air and land cooperation. That demonstrates that this approach has practical value in the field. Our aim is to create an autonomy ecosystem that helps countries locally develop their own capabilities. Beyond that, we deliver flexible structures that can operate together and communicate across a wide spectrum to the users. We actually given the first examples in AOI booth that we have Akrep, a new vehicle designed for Egypt, but inspired from our Barkan UGV, and the Hamza 1 is also inspired by Havelsan Bozbey unmanned air vehicle. Those two platforms can talk to each other in the same common communication channel supported by AI. Havelsan offers a structure jointly by Matra and Advent. Matra is another digital sailing structure that ensures seamless information flow among all units, from coastal surveillance to maritime patrolling aircraft. This modular architecture provides a strong foundation for the protection of Egypt's maritime areas and maritime situational awareness. Our ICT solutions, which enhance cyber resilience, that play a key role in securely operating this structure. In the upcoming period, in the next term, we will continue to focus on digital architectures such as autonomy, and AI-based mission management. While doing so, we aim to expand and further develop the joint production models we have initiated with Egypt. Our goal is not only to establish short-term collaborations, but also to position ourselves as a long-term partner that contributes to Egypt's technology production capacity in the Africa region. In the North Africa region, we should expand this capacity development, which is crucial our existence in Egypt.
We are here in EDEX for the second time. The first time that we were here was 2 years ago. 2 years ago we have done a lot of networking with the local authorities here and with some partner companies also. We are here to display our autonomous systems. We have VTOL solutions, we have UGV solutions, and we have the unmanned sea vessel. And in the past 2 years we have already established some partnerships with, for example, AOI, for the production of the UGV. Actually, the production is fully done here in Egypt, in Cairo, while Havelsan will do the autonomous command and control system, and of course with artificial intelligence ingredients in it. And in the future, it will also have the swarming capabilities. Furthermore, we are also here in Egypt because Egypt is actually one of the gateways to Africa. We have seen since yesterday a lot of African delegations who are coming here. As Havelsan, we provide solutions for air forces, land forces, and navy. We have our combat management system, which is already sold and being implemented in like 9 countries, all the way from Indonesia up to Chile. So also for the for the African market, all the countries which have a seashore are actually a target market for us. And from Egypt, going to this target market is easy and much beneficial for us. And also we are planning to have more kind of local production here in Egypt, because the population is huge. They have a huge young generation, and we are willing to have this cooperation on the ground here in Egypt, and we started the cooperation already with AOI. Mainly the autonomous systems, the VTOL system, the unmanned ground vehicle, and the unmanned sea vessel, which is being used for the Navy. The unmanned sea vessel can be used by the Navy and also by the coastal guards, coast guards, and other ministries who are actually dealing with the sea shores. But especially our cooperation here with AOI on the unmanned ground vehicle has drawn a lot of attention in the AOI booth. It's called the Akrep, it's a 6x6 unmanned ground vehicle. And of course here for the border security, land border security and coastal security is one of our main targets, because other nations in Africa, border security, whether in the land or in the sea, is becoming more and more critical and crucial for all nations around the whole continent. Actually, EDEX and some other exhibitions in the region are good gateways for us to represent our solutions and products. But Egypt by itself is a great market, and Egypt by itself is a great entry point because of the high production capabilities, and also cost-efficient production capabilities are quite high here. And this has drawn our attention also to do more kind of production and technology transfer here in Egypt, and produce in Egypt and sell from Egypt to other nations in the neighboring countries. We believe that this strategy will take off very soon. We have done the first prototype with AOI. So entry through Africa from Egypt, it seems a good strategy for us.